Hi, I'm Chef Ben with Expert Village, and today we're going to be continuing our crock pot series with hot dog wraps. First, you're going to need about 20 hot dogs and 20 strips of bacon. I like to go with the lean bacon, and you want to cut them all into thirds. First, you go ahead and just take your third hot dog, lay it on your strip, roll it up real nice. There we go. And you're going to need about 60 toothpicks. You can go ahead and get a box just to have a little extra more. Go ahead and just stick that right through. All right, we got some already made up here. All right, and what you're going to do after this is you're going to take a little bit of layer brown sugar. And this is all to taste. If you don't really want it sweet, just put a little bit. If you want it really sweet like I do, you put a lot. Get a nice little layer on the bottom there. Go ahead, put those down on that first layer. A little bit more brown sugar on top of these. All right, a few more. A little bit more brown sugar on these. All right, take the last bit. A little bit of brown sugar on top of that. A little bit more brown sugar. And a little bit more brown sugar. All right, go ahead and cover. You're going to set it on low for about 5 to 6 hours. And if you're in a rush, try about 3 to 4 hours on high, and you got hot dog bacon wraps.